Hi guys, it's Handyman here again. Today I'll be showing you how to install extendable curtain pole. So what you can see here, these ones you could drill them on with brackets, but I screwed onto this wood, but wood is strong enough. So I'll put one here, measured one here, and one I'll put here, as you can see. I'm going to do here, then I'm going to screw that up, then I'm going to put the third one right at the end. I set the bolt, like you see, I put these 3 hooks there, they're tight now. Now I'm going to put the pole on. So I'm going to extend me how much I need. So that's about it. You can put the curtains on after to put the curtains on like that. It's got Allen key here. You can tighten it from here. It's got this little screws behind it, and this is the Allen key you use. You just turn it clockwise to tighten it, and anti-clockwise to turn it clockwise to tighten this up, and this one moved in. And there's another one here behind there. There's a screw there, and you use this Allen key to tighten it. If you like the video, please like, share, thank you.